Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today's topic, fraction. In our last video, we have already discussed about like fraction. Now we are going to start unlike fraction. Let's start with it. So what is unlike fraction? When denominators are different, then we are calling them unlike fraction. How it will be? For example, 5 by 3, 2 by 7, 9 by 11. If you will check, all denominators are different. Yes, na? So then we can call them unlike fraction. Is it? Okay, let's start the operations on unlike fraction. So our first operation will be addition. So to add them, we will use two methods. Okay guys, so let's start with the first method. Method number 1. Method 1 we are using for addition. Okay guys, so let's take an example of addition. So let's suppose we have two numbers, 5 by 2 plus 4 by 3. Now if we will check them, they are unlike or not, what we have to do? We just have to check the denominators. So denominators are different. Yes, that means these are unlike fractions. Okay, so what is first step? This line we will use for rough work. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to first find the LCM. Okay guys, so we have the numbers. Let's circle it, 2 and 3. Let's take the LCM. So let's divide with 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 will remain same. Then we will divide with 3. 3 ones are 3. Done. When we will get the numbers 1, then LCM part will be over. So we will get the numbers as 2 and 3. Now we have to just multiply them. So 2 and 3, we will get the LCM as 6. So we will write the LCM part here. Done. So what is the step number 2? We have to divide LCM and our denominator. So 6 and 2, if we will divide, what we will get? Let's take it. If we will divide 6, so 6 we have to use as dividend. Okay, na? Inside of the bracket. And 2 we have to use outside as divisor. Done. So 2 if we will divide with 3, 2 3s are 6. So 6 minus 6, 0. That means we will get the quotient as 3. Yes. So if we will divide 6 and 2, we will get the answer as 3. Correct. Now the answer we will get, we just need to multiply with the numerator part. Okay. 5 3s are 15. Done. The same steps we have to follow for the second one. Now 6 we will divide with 3. So let's divide it. 6 if we will divide with 3. 3 2s are 6. So we will get the answer as 2. Correct. So this 2 we need to multiply with our numerator. Done. So we have only two denominators. We just divide it. Okay now? Now what we have to do? 15 plus 8. What is the sign between them? Plus. So that means we need to add them. So 15 plus 8. What will be the sum? Correct. It will be 23. 23 by 6. This is the answer. Done. Form the second operation, that is subtraction. Okay guys, so like addition, we have to same steps follow for the subtraction part. Let's start with it. What we will do the first step? Yes, correct. We have to use a minus sign. So question will come in the form of subtraction. Okay. That means That means we need to follow all the steps same except the sign. What we did? We just did addition, and in subtraction we have to perform subtraction only. Yes, na? So same, you have to take the LCM, you have to divide, you will get the answer, and then you have to multiply with the numerator part. So 5 3s are 15. 3 and 6 if you will divide, you will get the answer 2, and 4 2s are 8. Then the last step is you need to correct. You need to subtract them. So 15 minus 8, we will get the answer as 7 by 6. Okay na guys? So we just have to check that it is addition or subtraction. If it will be addition, you just need to add them, or subtraction, you need to perform subtraction part. Done? So this is all about how to add or subtract unlike fractions using LCM method. Okay guys, so let's start with our method number 2. In first method we are using LCM method. Now let's start with the method number 2. Okay, so method number 2, we will start with the first operation, that is correct, addition. We are going to start with addition first. Okay na? So let's take an example. By 5 plus 3 by 7. So what we have to do in this? Yes, first step is always same, that is you have to take LCM. Let's take the LCM part. So LCM will be, what are the numbers we have in denominators? 7 and 5, correct. So 5 table, 5 ones are 5. So 7 will remain same. When we will use 7, then 7 ones are 7. We are getting 1 and 1. So these are the numbers. So what is our LCM? LCM will be 5 into 7. So what is 5 into 7? It will be 35. 7 5s are 35. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have one number 2 by 5, and second side we have number 3 by 7. We need to make the denominator 35 because we are getting LCM as 35 na. Okay, how to make 35? Means with which number we should multiply with 5 to make 35? 7. 5 into 7, 35. That means the same number. 5 is there. If 7 you will multiply this side, you can easily get 35. Yes na? The same we have this side. 7 is there. If we will multiply 5 this side, do we get 35? Yes. That means 5 is there. 7 we will multiply this side. 7 5s are 35. Then this side 7 is there. If we will multiply 5, 7 5s are 35. Yes na? But we can't directly multiply only with denominator. Yes. In our last video, we have checked that equivalent concept. Very good. So in equivalent, if you want to multiply a number with denominator, you should multiply with numerator also. Yes, this is equivalent concept. Okay, and if you have not seen that video, you can check in the description box. Okay, and that means the same concept for here. We will multiply with 5. 5 we want to multiply with denominator. The same we have to multiply with numerators. Okay na? So 5, 5, 7, 7. So what will be the answer? 2 7s are 14. 7 5s are 35. 5 3s are 15. 7 5s are 35. Yes. Okay na? So without doing LCM only, we just have to check the denominators. If denominators equal, we can solve it easily. Okay na? So 14 and 15. Now we are getting same denominators. Yes. Now we have to write denominator only once. So as we did in the like fractions, if denominators is same, so we just need to write only once. So 35 we will write only once, and 14 plus 15. Okay. So what is 14 plus 15? Correct. Answer will be 29 by 35. Okay, done now? The same concept we will follow for subtraction. Okay, we'll start with the subtraction part. So we will use the same method, that is method number 2. Okay now, but what we have to do, concept, everything will be same except addition. We need to perform subtraction. So we will use minus here. So guys, what we did, we have to check denominators 7 and 5. You have to take LCM. Yes, you will get the LCM as 35. Once you will check 7 is there. If you will multiply this 5 here, 7 5s are 35. You will get same concept this side. 5 is there. If 7 you will multiply this side, you will get 35. But you can't multiply only with denominator. So what we have to do? Multiply with numerator also. This is equivalent concept. Correct. Okay na? So we will multiply up and down with the same number, that is equivalent concept. So we will get the answer 15 by 35, 14 by 35. Okay. Now we just have to perform the subtraction. As we know, denominators are same. So whenever we will get same denominators, we will write only ones. Correct. So we will write only numerator part, 15 minus 14. What will be the answer? 15 minus 14? Yes. We will get the answer as 1 by 35. This is our answer. Okay now? So we just did addition and subtraction by using the two methods. Okay. So which method you want to use? You can use it. Okay guys? Okay. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, do like it. If you feel it's worth of sharing to someone, do share it guys. And if you are new here, you have not subscribed our channel, subscribe it to see more updates. Okay guys, bye. See you in the next video.